Hi, I'm Zakir. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how material design grid system applied for mobile, web, artboards and Adobe XD. Let's start today's tutorial. On the left side panel, click on Artboard tool. The right side, we have the resolutions on the screen. Let's take 920 screen resolution for the whole grid here. So let me explain you. Material design gives you two different layouts. One is a fixed layout, the other is a fluid layout. The fluid layout has the 24 pixels of gutter width and also the margin of 24 pixels on the right and left of the 12 column grid. So the grid which you are seeing on the screen is a fluid grid. Let me show the same grid on 1440. Why I am taking the 1440? Because the values which I am giving for the grid is applied and it also adaptable for the 1440. Let's check the value of the same is applicable for 1440 or not. Just go to your gutter width, turn this 16 to 24 and also your margins to 24. See how things went very well at 1440. I think for your next design you will find more flexible of using this 12 column grid by using the material design. And also let's check with the 4 column grid for the mobile. So click on the artboard, go to 360 to 760, go to your grid layouts. Let me tell you something here. Here on the desktop versions of grid we have applied the margins of 24, but in the mobile case we'll turn these margins into 16 and also your gutter to 8. Let me change this 18 to 16. See how well your 4 column grid is applied to mobile. And I want to tell you something, even the iOS have the same outline margin, the 16 on the left and 16 on the right. Let me show you for the iOS screen resolution. Let's check. Click on the artboard, go to your resolutions panel, select 370 into 412 iPhone XS and 11 Pro. Click on the artboard, go to your grids, and the gutter width is showing something and we'll turn it into 14 and also our margins to 16. See how the material design grid is adaptable for iOS at 375 screen resolutions. One thing if you notice here, we have given the gutter width of 14 and as well as the margins of 16. But at 360, we have given the gutter width of 8. So the flexibility of gutter width can be customizable. I can turn this 8 into 16 if you want to make a gutter width more spacious in the mobile. And also even I can turn this 16 to 24. If you want more breathing space in between your components as well as the elements, you can increase your gutter width by the custom things. And just go to your iOS. If I do the same thing at the iOS, the margins on the left and right, it's not applicable as 16. Let me show you this. Turn the 14 to 24. Don't work. Let's have this. Multiply this 14 with 2. 28. Still it's not working because the material design has 4 dp and also the 8 dp. So if I multiply with 4 and 8, I don't get the gutter width which is applied for the iOS. So let's check the fixed grid system for the 920. Click on the artboard, select the 920 resolution, go to your grid values, turn this gutter width to 24. So let me tell you something, if you want the offset margins on the right and left of your 12 column grid, you have to multiply your 24 with the 4. Let's do some math. Multiply your 24 with the 4, you will get 96 on the right and left as your outer margins. If you see, this is a default structure of using an offset margins on the right and left. If you are mentioning the gutter width in 24, you have to multiply 24 with 4. If you use a gutter width of something 32, let's check what happens. Multiply 32 with 4, you will get 136. Apply 136 margins on the right and left side of your 12 column grid with the fixed layout. Let's check with the 1440 how it reacts with 1440 screen resolution. Just go to your gutter values, turn this 16 into 24. See, it by default it has taken 138. Let's do some math here. Multiply 24 into 4, you will get 96. Apply this 96 to your offset margins. So this is your fixed width for the 1440 screen resolution. And also I want to tell you, like, Google Material Design use the 4-point DP as well as the 8-point DP as the grid system values to calculate your grid. If you are wondering how I calculated the offset margins on the right and left side of the fixed grid system on 1440 screen resolution, because the material design has some measurements, because the material design layouts are visually balanced. The most measurements align to an 8dp grid applied and aligns the both spacing and the overall layout, and smaller components such as the icons, the type can align to 4dp grid. You can calculate the outer offsets with the inside gutter spacings. And thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you like my video, do subscribe and like.